Elevate your sex appeal this Valentine's Day with these 20 fragrances. Stay tuned after this intro. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. In this video behind me, I have the greatest 20 fragrances to elevate your sex appeal this Valentine's Day. Every guy need at least 2 to 3 fragrances like these fragrances behind me that I'm about to show you. So stay till the end of this video to maximize your sex appeal this Valentine's Day. Get ready, bro. Valentine's Day is around the corner. But before I start showing you my list, please like this video because these 20 fragrances totally deserve it. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it to not miss any of my top 20s in the future. Let me know where you're watching me from, what is your neck of the wood, and what is your scent of the day. What are you planning to wear this Valentine's Day? I'm curious, let me know in the comment section down below. Links to most of these fragrances gonna be in the description, so take a look if you just wanna save yourself a buck or two. Share this video for whoever needs to smell great this Valentine's Day. And without making this video way too long, let's just go with my number 20. And my number 20 is Liquid Brune by French Avenue. This is a great bourbon vanilla fragrance. If you wear this one, you're good to go this Valentine's. Armani Code Profumo or Parfum. This is a great one, guys. Very sexy, very classy. If you have this one on Valentine's Day, you are irresistible. Refakat by Paris Corner. If you have this one on Valentine's Day, you're getting laid, bro. A Lab on Fire. What we do in Paris is a secret. Shh, beautiful fragrance. If you can find it, get it. Angélique Noir, Pear and Vanilla, one of the sexiest vanilla fragrances I have in my collection. This is a getting laid fragrance for sure. Give this one a try. This one irresistible. Look at this facha. And this one works for me, I'm telling you. Amouage Lyric Man, fresh rose and incense. You cannot go wrong with this one. This one, it's beautiful. And did I tell you it's a beast? So you're just gonna have to be careful with the amount of sprays. Rolling in Love by Killian. Look at the name, look at the title, look how pretty that red bottle is. This is sex in a bottle. This is Valentine's in a bottle, especially if you love almond, vanilla, and floral nuances. This one will do you justice. Love Don't Be Shy by Killian. Love Don't Be Shy and have this one on Valentine's Day. You'll be smelling magnificent. I'm telling you that. Oud Silk Mood. Rose fragrances work the best Valentine's Day, and this is one of the best one ever. Oh my god, this one is sexy and it smells expensive. So if you want to smell sexy, expensive, and rich, get yourself some Oud Silk Mood by MFK, Maison Francis Kirk John. Givenchy Gentleman EDP. This is a dirty iris, orris root, vanilla. You cannot go wrong with this one. This one smells like sex in a very good way. You're gonna have to wear this one Valentine's Day. Valentino Born in Roma Coral Fantasy. Red apples and tobacco does it for me. This one, it smells airy, amazing this Valentine's Day. You'll be smelling one of these sexiest guys out there. Give this one a try. Pharmacia Vanilla Dory, one of the cheapest vanilla based fragrances out there. It smells great and it's very sexy. You're just gonna have to give this one a try. And vanilla works, guys. One of the sexiest notes to wear Valentine's Day, along the side rose and chocolate, which we'll get into that as well. But this one of the best vanillas on a budget for sure. If you wanna smell sexy, classy, Tom Ford Noir Extreme, it's a pretty good candidate. The Coffee Gourmand note does it for me. With the spices and vanilla, you just cannot go wrong. One of the sexiest fragrances out there. You cannot do Valentine's Day without Noir de Noir. This is a staple for me for ages now. Rose and patchouli, chocolatey patchouli, it just works perfectly. This one screams Valentine's Day. So if you want to smell the sexiest Valentine's theme to the max, get yourself some Noir de Noir. Gentleman Society Extreme by Givenchy if you just want to smell like coffee and vanilla and orris fruit. This one is sexy, bro. If you have this one on, you're set, I'm telling you. If you wear a tuxedo or a nice suit on Valentine's Day, you better get yourself some tuxedo. By YSL, this is so good. One of the manliest, sexiest, classiest fragrances out there. You have this one on, you smell like a boss. Mancera, Roses and Chocolate. This one is the epitome of Valentine's Day. It leans a little feminine so you can share it with your significant other, but also on your own, this one does wonders. You better give this one a try. Polo Red. This one of the sexiest polos out there. Fruity vanilla, you just cannot go wrong with this one. Look at that color. Yes, it smells just like that color. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day. You wanna smell sexy? Get yourself some Dior Homme Intense. And silver color, even better. But don't worry about the silver color. Nowadays, formulation will do you justice as well. And if you get the 2025 Dior Homme Parfum, would work even better. Get sexy with Dior Homme Intense or Parfum. Last but not least, Stronger with You Intensely. You cannot go wrong with this one. This one is famous for a reason. That caramel vanilla combo just works perfectly. And this one will definitely elevate your sex appeal. This is the 20 fragrances I recommend for you guys to wear or to rock this Valentine's Day just to elevate your sex appeal a notch or two. I'm definitely wearing one of these fragrances on Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, what are you wearing this Valentine's Day? Did I miss any fragrance that you really like? Comment. What is the sexiest, manliest fragrances you have in your repertoire? Comment in the section down below. Sharing is caring, guys, here in this challenge. So please share this video with all your smelly friends in a good way. If you want them to smell great this Valentine's Day, let's just make this video 100 likes at least for these 20 great fragrances that I just showed you. Links to most of these fragrances gonna be in the description if you just wanna save yourself a buck or two. And see you guys next time. Peace.